Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Magic Set is probably one of the most exciting and engaging ways to introduce children aged 10 and up to the captivating world of illusion and wonder. This video will dive into a comprehensive review of this specific magic set, exploring its contents, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the perfect gift for the budding magician in your life or a great addition to your own collection of magical tools and tricks. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Deluxe Magic Set. Get ready to amaze your friends and family with this incredible magic set. It's packed with 10 classic tricks that are easy to learn and perform. From disappearing coins to mind-reading predictions, it has everything you need to become a master illusionist. Each trick is designed to be both fun and educational. With practice, you'll be able to perform these tricks with confidence and skill. It's a great way to build hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. This set is made from high-quality solid wood, ensuring durability and a professional look. The storage box even doubles as a performance stage. It's the perfect gift for kids 8 and older who love hands-on play. It's a screen-free activity that encourages creativity and imagination. Watch in amazement as the ball vanishes right before your eyes. This classic trick is easy to master and always impresses. This trick is a real puzzle. Coins appear and disappear in this mysterious box. It's a great way to practice sleight of hand. What we like. If you appreciate high-quality, durable materials and classic magic tricks, this set is perfect. It's a beautiful, heirloom-quality gift that will provide hours of screen-free fun. If you are looking for a timeless magic set that will last, this is the one for you. What people say. The tricks are not cheap paper and plastic. They are crafted out of wood. The box they are packed in is also wood, which will provide a sturdy display and place to pack away the tricks after a show. Even after having been a magician for many years, with a few runs as a professional, I haven't seen a couple of these methods before. None of them are difficult, and perhaps someone with a little critical thinking skill could figure them out. But these are toys meant to build critical thinking skills, so that's not so important. In this magic set, however, you get 10 high-quality, wooden tricks. Furthermore, 8 of these tricks were brand new tricks for me. Number 4. Learn and Climb Mega Magic Kit. It's time to reveal the secrets of magic. This kit has everything your young magician needs to perform amazing tricks. With 28 magic props and easy-to-follow instructions, it's simple to learn and perform hundreds of incredible illusions. Prepare to be amazed. Learn from Master Magician Leif Davis. The instructional videos and manual make mastering these tricks a breeze. Your child will be performing magic in no time. It's the perfect gift for any aspiring magician. With tricks for all skill levels, it provides endless hours of fun and imaginative play. Made with the best materials, including a convenient 2-drawer performance table for easy storage. It's built to last through countless magical performances. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day return policy. Let your child explore the world of magic without any risk. What we like. If your child loves variety in learning new things, this set is the ultimate choice. With hundreds of tricks and instructional videos, it offers endless possibilities for fun and skill development. If you want a comprehensive magic kit with lots of variety, this is it. What people say. There were some tricks that she could do immediately, the cut rope, vase. She has been able to figure out a few other ones on her own, however, the instruction booklet and videos, accessed by QR code, are very helpful for more difficult tricks. Quality seems great after a few days and being dropped on the tile floor a couple of times. Most of the ones we've tried have been simple enough instructions for us to learn. We did have to use one of the videos to learn a trick yesterday, but the videos are a great resource. My 6-year-old even put on a magic show for his friends and their parents. Hours of fun for my 7-year-old. There are a good amount of tricks, but 100 plus is a bit misleading since many are just variations of the same trick. Number 3. Fantasma Masters of Magic Set. This is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to a world of wonder and mystery. Get ready to amaze your friends and family with incredible magic tricks. It's packed with amazing props. You'll find cups and balls, multiplying balls, a money-making machine, and so much more. Everything you need to become a master magician is right here. This kit includes an illusion box that lets you make objects vanish, reappear, and even transform. Prepare to mesmerize your audience with your newfound skills. It comes with an instructional video download and bonus footage of legendary magicians like Harry Houdini. You'll learn the secrets behind classic magic tricks. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. This kit is a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike. It's a great way to learn new skills and have fun. Fantasma Toys is endorsed by the International Brotherhood of Magicians, ensuring quality and safety. It's the #1 magic brand worldwide, so you know you're getting the best. What we like. If you want a comprehensive magic experience and access to advanced techniques, this is the set for you. It includes a wealth of tricks and bonus content from legendary magicians. If you're looking for a high-quality, professional-grade set, this is the best option. What people say. This is her first set and we were really impressed with how many things came with this set when we unboxed it together. Instead of a DVD, there's a link to the website where you can view the video to learn the tricks. I love how in-depth the manual is and the magician poster was a cool bonus. The guidebook is very detailed, making for easy learning. It also comes with a poster and the storage box is very sturdy. Number 2. Fantasma Magic Kit Deluxe. It's time to discover the magic within. This kit has everything you need to become a master illusionist. Prepare to amaze your friends and family with incredible tricks. Get ready to be amazed. You'll find a top hat, cape, wand, and all the props needed to perform over 175 amazing magic tricks. It's the ultimate beginner's kit. Dress the part. This kit includes a magician's cape and top hat, so you can look the part while performing classic illusions like pulling a rabbit from a hat, changing scarves, and the cups and balls trick. Learning magic has never been easier. The step-by-step instruction manual and bonus video download will guide you through each trick, from simple to more advanced illusions. It's more than just fun and games. It helps develop confidence, social skills, and hand-eye coordination. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Made with high-quality materials and endorsed by the International Brotherhood of Magicians, you can trust it's safe, durable, and built to last. Get ready to make some magic. What we like. If your child dreams of becoming a magician, this set is a fantastic choice. The included costume adds to the fun and makes it easy to put on a show. If you want a fun, engaging set that's easy for beginners, this is a great option. What people say. The props are super cute. Everything need to host a little at-home magic show. The quality of the set was surprising. My niece hasn't stopped wearing her magic cape and top hat, wanting us to see her perform her new magic. It's a great hobby. Cape with internal pockets and wonderfully made hat with bunny were easy to use. Nice assortment of other tricks. Number 1. Magic set for kids. It has classic and innovative magic props, like a magic wand and animal prophecy cards. It offers a variety of tricks, from simple to more challenging, for endless fun and learning. With detailed instructions and tutorials, it's easy for beginners to master the skills quickly. Kids and adults alike can experience the joy of magic in no time. It's a great way for parents and children to bond. Learning magic trick together creates opportunities for communication and strengthens family connections. Playing with it not only provides fun but also exercises thinking skills and creativity. It helps kids become smarter and more imaginative through playful learning. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, it's perfect for kids. It's compact, making it an ideal gift for any occasion and easy to take anywhere. What we like. If you're looking for a fun, affordable magic set with a wide variety of tricks and easy-to-follow instructions, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners and makes a great gift for any occasion. If you want a simple, fun set for a young magician, this is it. What people say. It's full of magic tricks and fun. Some items are cheaply made, but for the price it has been fun. Our 9-year-old has put on a show for all of his grandparents. My 8-year-old daughter loved this kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.